going to apply some cuticle oil to my fingertips, and as I do that, I'm going to explain the purpose behind this video. So one drop on the thumb, blend it on all nails. The purpose of today's video is I'm going to be making some bath salts, bath milks, nut oil free, and I'll ask people to comment below on which one appeals to them the most, and they'll go in the running to win. One of 5 bath salts. I'll explain as I go along what I'm making, what they're called, what they're for. It's winter, freezing, windy, cold. Perfect opportunity for bath. Okay, fingertips done. Let us begin. First, bath salts will be bath salt Serenity. These salts are all about chilling out and relaxing. Primarily, this is a salt, a bath salt for people who need to calm their mind and relax. That's why it's called Serenity, because relaxing is serene. Give this a gentle mix. And here we have bath salts Serenity. Look at that. All those gorgeous pink and soft pink hues. Delectable, peace-inducing, chillaxing bath salts. Next is bath salts Bliss. And bliss is all about feeling beautiful within yourself. It's all about conjuring those feelings of loving yourself, of being enough, of loving who you are, who you've become. And it just happens to have anti-aging essential oils in it. With a touch of lavender. For that soothing and relaxing scent. And all of the soaps, salts, are going to come with a cute little wooden spoon for scooping. Give this a light shake. And here we have bath salts, bliss. Got those more earthy tones, cottage garden on an autumn day. Lovely floral scents. Next, we have bath salts unwind. Personal favourite of mine because they're made for soothing sore muscles after your vigorous exercise, long walk, big bike ride, roller skating, cliff hanging, you name it. For anyone who's ever exercised and been sore, this is the one for you. I think it's cool watching that first essential oil split go in. And of course it contains essential oils that soothe sore muscles and a weary mind. I'll cue it already. Bath salts, unwind. Next we've got heavenly bath milk. This one's got delightful, florally, heavenly scents. It's a bath milk made for nourishing the skin while you soak. we have rose milk bar soak. Very similar properties and uses as heavenly milk. Absorbs all of the things, toxins and such out of your skin. Leaves your skin feeling soft and silky with that Queen of the Nile touch. Here we have rose bath milk. Just like heavenly bath milk, it comes with botanicals. In this case, it's rose petals. You can see them all throughout the milk. A beautiful, decadent bath milk. And so there we have the 5 salts and milks that are Joli's rose bath milk, heavenly bath milk, unwind bliss, and serenity. So of each of these salts, which one would appeal to you and why? Drop a comment below letting me know your thoughts, and you'll go in the running to win one of these fabulous bath salts or milks. One winner will get one of each, so 5 winners all up. Available only to those in Australia, I'm sorry to say. I do not post internationally. Comment below letting me know which one you'd love. Winners will be picked at random, and I'll comment below or in the community page and socials to let you know who's the winner. And thank you for watching.